There we go, guys. I think we got something on. Yeah, we got something. Another little whiting. Well, I had to give up, y'all. It was just too rough. But I mean, as I've walked off the beach, it's calmed down, of course. But caught a couple of fish, so it wasn't a wasted trip. The weather app said it was blowing like 10 and 13. There's no way. It was blowing at least 20. You couldn't. And then I dropped my rods in the water, so that was nice. I was trying to move them back. But it is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. This will all be in the same video, so it'll be quick for you. But till then, we'll see you. Have a good one. And just like that, it is Sunday. What happened to Saturday, I do not know. I just couldn't get up and get early like I wanted to, so I just hung out at the house. But we made it down to Pawleys Island, and it looks like the weather is gonna be a lot better than it was Friday. So let's get out there, get some bait in the water, and see what happens. What's up, guys? We got set up. It is a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. There is still pretty strong current pulling from the right to the left, so I'm having to cast behind those first set of breakers to try to get them to lock down. Hopefully there's fish out there, but man, it's nice out here. There's actually warm air coming off of the ocean, so but we're good. We're set up, waiting on a bite. So I was using 4-ounce pyramid weights, and they were getting swept down. I've had the 2-ounce Sputnik weights. I just haven't liked using them in the past. But where the 4-ounce pyramids weren't holding, the 2-ounce Sputnik weights seem to be holding really well. So hopefully that helps us get a fish, because it's been pretty dead so far. I haven't seen anybody catch anything down the beach. But wish me luck. If anything happens, you'll see it. First catch of the day was a double up, y'all. Alright, y'all. Gotta make a decision here, because there's a lot of seaweed. I ain't got no bites yet. And I ain't gonna name no names, but the place I've been getting my shrimp from, just dead shrimp, like a grocery store, they done me pretty good so far. But I bought some Friday. I bought 2 pounds. I used like 4 shrimp Friday afternoon. Didn't fish Saturday, and I got hardly any shrimp. She sold me like 1.5 pounds of heads. I didn't look. I think we may just end up going to the pier. I think my man down there's got a pretty good fish. I might stay if he's got one. Something I kind of figured out using these Sputniks when you go to do your hook set for reel, when you like reel, it helps when you drop your rod tip instead of keeping it up. Pyramid weights, it don't really matter, but it helps a lot to get that Sputnik weight dislodged. Otherwise, they dig in pretty damn good. I'll be eating seaweed for lunch. That's an old military bomber, a C-130 or something like that. Well, y'all, somehow managed to use all of my bait and not catch a single fish. So, I don't know. I talked to some people, I guess they're on vacation. They tore them up yesterday. It was a lot rougher, but they said they did good. I stayed at home. So, that's usually how that goes. But I guess I'm gonna stop somewhere and get some more bait and just go to the old faithful spring bait, jig for some Spanish. Hope for the best. We'll see you there. Finally caught a fish today. Here's a croaker. We'll keep him for bait. The boat's too small.
Yeah, but it's fish.
Yeah, yeah. Easy, killer. I'm gonna put you back. You me drop him right on your rig?
Yeah, you dropped him right in that shark's mouth.
Oh, did I?
I mean, as soon as that sucker hit the water, there he is, waiting for another.
Let's see how fast. Oh shit! I didn't think about the shark. Well, y'all, we have abandoned the mission. Not too much to speak of today, but I should have a decent video between Friday and whatever I caught today. But if you made it this far, I keep forgetting to say, if you watching this and you vacation in Myrtle Beach, or you live near Myrtle Beach and you want me to fish in a specific place, just let me know. You know, maybe before you're gonna come vacation here, I'll try my best. I don't particularly like paying to park and then paying to fish. It seems redundant to me, but anyways, we was fishing and not working, so not a whole lot to complain about there. But hopefully the water is supposedly 70, so hopefully by next weekend or the weekend after, it's really gonna heat up, especially for the Spanish mackerel and then everything else after that. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.